Hi, this is Mark from MCE Services Appliance Repair. My good friend Harry Raker has asked me to make a quick video telling you about how I've done utilizing his program to open my own appliance repair business. I'm located here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I started this project about, I think, in January or February of this year. And I did take Harry's course, and I did it quite quickly because I was looking to get moving and get into something different. I was originally in the telecom field and have been for many, many years, and decided I wanted to do something a little different, and I was tired of working for people. So I took Harry's course and opened my doors. I quit my job back in July, and it's September now. So he's given me a list of a couple of questions here he'd like me to answer. How has the business improved my life? It has done it tremendously. I no longer have to answer to, what did you sell this week? What are you selling next week? All those different kinds of things that always drove me crazy. So now the only person I answer to is myself and my customers, and it makes life a lot more stable and a whole lot less stressful for me. Probably the most difficult thing is getting parts these days. I will have to say that has definitely been a challenge. The next question is, how much money are you making? Well, like I said, I've only started this about 3-4 months ago. In the month of August, I did over $20,000 in revenue. Probably spent about $3,500 in parts and materials and things like that. The month of September, which is ending today, I probably will finish out at somewhere around $16,000. I actually took a week off, so only put in about 3.5 weeks this month. So things are moving along well. Business is very good, and in fact, it's so good that I turn down probably twice as many jobs as I take. So that way you kind of get to pick the stuff you want to do, the things you enjoy doing, as opposed to being having to take everything that you may, have to work on projects that you don't want to work on, because some stuff is more enjoyable depending on you as an individual than it is for other people. Okay, and then the last question he's got here for me is the support. So I've received a very good support from Harry and his organization when I run into a problem with something that I just can't quite figure out yet, because again, I'm new at this. Harry has stepped in, given me guidance. This is after I've already taken the course and everything. He actually hooked me up with one of his techs on another project that I was working on to try to help me figure out what was going on with that. So things are going very well. Harry is a fabulous support mechanism. You can text him on weekends and he gets back to you, with quick little answers, and it's been fun. I'm excited. I'm very happy that I made this change, and that's about it. So if you're thinking about using Harry's course, I recommend it. It definitely worked for me. So hope all is well with everyone, and have a great day.